Hi everyone, it's GloryB, and today I want to take you behind the scenes into something very personal. How I'm preparing my body and my mind for an incredibly healthy 2026, and it's a longevity plan to stay strong, sharp, and active. As many of you know, I'm 65 now, just about to turn 66, and I feel excited about the future. But that doesn't happen by accident. So today I'm sharing the exact steps, routines, and mindset shifts I'm using to make next year my healthiest year yet. And yes, I'm making a couple changes I've never talked about before, so let's jump in. There's something empowering about approaching a new year with intention rather than pressure. When you're in your 50s, 60s, and beyond, your focus shifts from pushing harder to supporting your body smarter. For me, this time of year is when I pause and ask, what do I need more of? What do I need less of? What do I want to feel like every day? Because in your 60s, your body is always communicating with you. And the beautiful thing is when you listen and make small, consistent changes, the results can be amazing. So these are the pillars I'm focusing on right now, the ones that help me stay strong, vibrant, and yes, still aging gracefully. One of the biggest lessons I've learned over the years is this. You don't need extreme workouts. You just need consistent movement that supports your long-term strength and mobility. For me, that looks like walking daily, light weights, resistance bands, mobility exercises, and things like my beloved horse stance pose, which works everything from the core down. These keep my bones strong, my joints healthy, and my balance sharp. What am I adding in 2026? Well, two things. First, I'm adding a short 5-minute balance and posture routine in the morning. It's nothing complicated, just something to wake up my core and prevent falls, which is a huge priority for women who are over 50. If you want me to film that routine, let me know in the comments. Second, I'm adding rebounding on a mini trampoline. This is really new to me, and I have one of the smaller 40-inch rebounders. I did a YouTube short video about my rebounder a couple weeks ago in case you want to see the quality of the one I have and also show how I'm using the rebounder for walking, jumping, dancing, you name it. I'll link that short video in the description box, in the first comment, and as a card, which shows up toward the top right of your screen. Many of you know my story. I naturally reversed osteoporosis without the bone drugs, so bone health is a non-negotiable for me. For 2026, I'm keeping my same foundation: weight-bearing movement, strength training, posture work, and my nutrition, which I'll talk about next. But I'm also tracking something new, micro strength, throughout the day. Now, by this I mean I don't sit for long stretches, and every hour or two I'll take a few movements to load the bones gently or with more impact. Now, being a YouTuber, we do a lot of sitting and editing videos, creating thumbnails, and researching. Lots and lots of sitting. So I have to be intentional about this. Now, you can do more impactful exercises if you're in osteopenia or if your osteoporosis isn't too bad. The more impactful exercises are things like heel drops, stomping, and jumping. These little habits really matter when it comes to bone density over 50 or 60. Nutrition is one of the biggest ways I prepare for a healthy new year. I've been whole food plant-based for over 25 years, but every year I refine and refocus on giving my body the best nourishment possible. For 2026, here's what I'm doing. Refocusing on more greens, beans, berries, and cruciferous vegetables. Cutting way back on anything processed. Removing sneaky sources of oil. And really tuning into how foods make me feel. One of the fun things I'm doing to get fresh greens and herbs is by getting started using this Let Pot hydroponic system that lets me grow my own kale, spinach, lettuce, and herbs year round. Now it's totally new to me, so I'll let you know at a later date how it's coming along. I've also noticed a huge improvement in energy when I increase fiber and hydration, so that's a priority for me too. And of course, a lot of what I teach in my Kickstart Your Health program is exactly what I do myself. When you give your body the nutrients it needs, oh my goodness, everything changes for the better. If I had to choose one anti-aging tool that makes everything easier, it's sleep. This year, I'm really focusing on a consistent bedtime, a calming evening ritual, turning off all screens 1 hour before bedtime, and getting morning sunlight. Good sleep helps your bones, your hormones, your skin, and your mood. Everything improves when you sleep well. I've said it before, when your digestion works well, everything works well. In 2026, I'm focusing on simple habits. A glass of water first thing in the morning, warm lemon tea after my first workout, lots of fiber during the day, a daily serving of greens, and keeping things moving naturally. And for those who want a deeper reset, I'll talk at the end about my 4-week detox program because that's exactly what it's designed for. You all know I love skincare and I believe in supporting the skin as we age with products that actually work well. For 2026, I'm focusing on what works well. Of course, as a YouTuber and social media influencer, I'm trying new products all the time, looking for what you might like, which is what I recommend to you, and then looking for what I can eliminate, which I don't recommend to you. Even if I suggest only a part of a skincare brand's offering, I only want to suggest to you the products that I think work well and what I think you'll like. So the right products might include gentle and effective cleansing, gentle exfoliation, nourishing serums, sun protection, and products that support the skin barrier. I'll be sharing some refreshed skincare routines soon, so stay tuned. And since YouTube doesn't necessarily show you my new videos on your homepage, and maybe not even in your subscription feed, I'm going to suggest you sign up for my newsletter. I only send it about twice a month, and I'll post in the newsletter the latest videos and a few other things you might be interested in. When you sign up, I'll also give you a PDF document with my best anti-aging tips that have served me well over the years. Now it's 3 pages of my best tips. I'll have the link to sign up below, or go to my website, GloryB-TV.com, click the Get the Tips button on the homepage, and on the next page, type your email address, click the pink Get My Tips button, and you'll get the tips and you'll be signed up. Your mind is just as important as your body. I'm focusing on daily practices that help me stay grounded and positive. Having gratitude, my morning prayer time, letting go of things that create too much stress, and playing with my puppy. She's good for lowering stress. Aging well isn't just physical, it's emotional. One of the biggest changes I'm making, it's reducing digital noise. I'm picky about where I get my news updates. I don't want drama. I don't want news that's been bought and paid for, and I don't want the emotional draw that so many newscasters have learned to use on us over decades. I just want the facts, ma'am.
Just the facts, ma'am.
Basically, I want to protect my peace and focus on what uplifts me, not on what drains me. Connection is a health habit, so I'm making time for friendships, laughter, creativity, and meaningful conversations. It does wonders for the mind. I'm adding something new this year, a very short daily breath work practice. It's great for stress. It just takes a minute, but it's amazing how it resets the nervous system. You inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4, and then hold the breath out for a count of 4. And you do that set 4 or 5 times. Stress is unavoidable, but how we manage it makes all the difference. I want to share a few personal goals with you because I think it's powerful to declare what matters, to maintain the strength I built and gently increase it, to improve my balance and mobility, to prioritize joyful movement throughout every day, to continue nourishing my body with whole foods, and to stay mentally clear, calm, and intentional. These are the things that help me feel alive and vibrant. And now I'd love to hear from you. What's the one thing you want to focus on in 2026? Tell me in the comments. I read every one of them. If you want guidance and structure, my Kickstart Your Health program is linked below, and so is the link to my 4-week full body cleanse detox program. Thank you for being here with me today. I appreciate you participating in my channel by watching, commenting, and even sending a link to a video to your friends. Remember, you're not too old. It's not too late. And your healthiest years can absolutely be ahead of you. I love you all. Tap one of the images on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.